Your smart speakers with Alexa are way more than just speakers.
Here's some neat things you can try.
You can play music on your supported Echo devices so that your music plays in the whole house. Alexa, play my Pump Up playlist everywhere.
The playlist, Pumped Up Playlist, on Amazon Music, playing on the Everywhere group.
Waking up can be a little bit better with Alexa. Alexa, wake me up to heavy metal music tomorrow at 6:20 a.m.
Alarm set for 6:20 a.m. tomorrow to hard rock and metal on Amazon Music.
Alexa, turn off lights. Alexa can make lists to keep you organized, like grocery lists, to-do lists, even packing lists. I don't know about you, but packing really stresses me out. I always feel like I'm gonna forget something. Alexa, add socks, t-shirts, a hairdryer, and a straw hat to my packing list.
I added socks, t-shirts, a hairdryer, and a straw hat to your packing list.
Alexa, add bigger suitcase to my shopping list.
I have added bigger suitcase to your shopping list.
Alexa can help you know what to wear for the day. Alexa, will I need a sweater today?
Currently, in Portland, it's 36 degrees Fahrenheit with mostly cloudy skies.
Sweater weather, my favorite. Alexa, will I need an umbrella today?
It might rain today. There is a 56% chance at 11 a.m.
I'd tell you an umbrella joke, but I think it might go over your head.
Life gets busy, and sometimes it's easy to forget to keep in touch with my favorite people. Alexa, remind me to call Dad at 6 p.m.
Okay, I'll remind you at 6 p.m.
Actually, Alexa, remind me to call Dad every Monday at 6 p.m.
Okay, I'll remind you every Monday at 6 p.m.
Okay, I hope you heard that, Dad. We're throwing a party tonight, and with all these moving parts, I want to make sure my cooking times are perfect.
Not like last time. Alexa can set custom timers so you can keep tabs on everything.
Alexa, set a 2-hour rib timer.
Rib timer, 2 hours, starting now.
Alexa, set a 30-minute bean timer.
Bean timer, 30 minutes, starting now.
Alexa, it's party time.
Yeah.
I've got your back, baby, and your baby back ribs.
Alexa can help guard your home when you're not there. When you set up Alexa Guard, she'll send a notification right to your phone if she detects a sound like a smoke alarm, carbon monoxide alarm, or breaking glass.
Alexa, we're leaving.
Okay, I'll start guarding now.
With Alexa, you can control the lights in your house with your voice. Alexa, dim the bedroom lights to 50%.
Okay,
Actually, Alexa, make the lights blue.
okay.
What? Blue soothes me to sleep. I am not a morning person, but Alexa can help kickstart every day with routines.
Alexa, good morning.
Good morning. It's going to be a great day. The weather is 72 degrees. Traffic is light and you have 3 events today. At 10 a.m., take Scout to the vet. At 11 a.m., give Scout a treat for being a good boy at the vet. At 1 p.m., snuggle with Scout.
Sounds like a rough day.
Those are some of our favorite things to do with Alexa. Try them out and check out some more of our videos.